At first out here breaking records and exceeding expectations once again, new Kaspa last development updates, new massive partnerships and a new Kaspa wallet. But before I cover these headlines, Kaspa the digital silver is on track to surpass its all-time high, currently up 9% today. Furthermore, presently it's under number 57 on CoinGecko. This venture will make moguls. It has been taking off the positioning since its send-off, going for an obscure to the main 70 in under a year, and I accept it will not be excessively lengthy until we see Kaspa take off into the main 10. My explanations behind accepting this is on the grounds that one Alibaba's top miner gear merchant, Peak to Miner, has joined the Kaspa family. You can now utilize money to purchase 10 or more mining machines. Kaspa is there close by BTC, ETH, LTC, etc. What's more, truly, that isn't excessively as business as usual. This is huge information, yet that isn't. Very astounding, simply taking into account how notable Kaspa innovation and conventions there goes stag truly is. 30 blocks each second. We can do it moderately, perhaps we can do it at a higher, however at that point you begin getting to the inquiries, what are the advantages of, speeding up the block creation further? So as you heard, Polinsky says that Kaspa can do 30 bps moderately, implying that it can possibly turn out to be much quicker, which is crazy. Kaspa as of now has one of the quicker exchange paces of any crypto projects. There are articles composed by a hypothesis and statement. Legitimate organizer Charles Hawkinson, before ADD even existed, discussed the different choices to fix Bitcoin scaling issues. Kaspa's conventions were referenced way in those days. There are over a decade of examination behind Kaspa. Indeed, even the second greatest crypto project, Ethereum, utilizes Phantom to settle a versatility. Yet, take a gander at how far Kaspa has come from that point forward. Those political began back in 2013, then they'll Spectre 2016, then Ghost Stag, and presently we have the slippery DAG Night convention that will before long be integrated into Kaspa and that will move Kaspa considerably more analyzed. PR essentially is the ideal PO. Up your evidence of work-based agreement calculation where the soul of political and goes that political missed the mark. Dignite has everything. It has Nakamoto agreement security autonomous of block rates like both with Apparition K9 and Ghost's conventions. It additionally has quickly merging direct requesting like the Apparition K9. What's more, responsiveness to genuine organization inertness. Like Spectra, it has no speed restrictions past equipment. It's reasonable for shrewd agreements and abilities itself, and the improvements to the Rush convention is simply going to add to the progress of Kaspa. The gigantic outcome of the principal Tesla 11 run permitted many long-haul issues. That will make the execution far better. So this update including a friend dispersion of the shared layer, including the improvement of the manner in which public realizes addresses are conveyed, as well as making the companion choice out of the arrangement of known peers more hardy progressing forward, further developing the underlying block dissemination process. Then we have another new supporter who has begun dealing with the profiling framework, so testing and noticing the presentation of the program. Next is venturing you the reconciliation tests, refactoring the mempool which is a part of the hub that stores exchanges before they are incorporated into the blockchain. Lastly, further developing the WASM interface for engineers. For Kaspa, it is in the last phases of delivering an alpha variant and this is a significant stage towards the Kong wallet that will succeed the KDX. Kaspa exposes the overall fantasy that POW verification of work is old and substandard compared to evidence of stake adaptability-wise. An ever-increasing number of individuals are beginning to acknowledge Kaspa what it is an astonishing speculation opportunity, the following Bitcoin. Assuming that we view the quantity of wallet tends to that own no less than one Kaspa, there is right now 231,322 addresses. However that is generally 30k not exactly its top back toward the beginning of May. Notwithstanding, in the event that we take a gander at the market drop for Kaspa in a comparative time span, Kaspa is up around 40 to 45%. Despite the fact that there are less addresses, less contributed Kaspa is as yet conflicting with the bend and doing right by be a rarity. In the event that the main bullish venture in this bear market cycle and presently Kaspa are crowdfunding another program shot augmentation giving you secure and helpful web-based capacity for your cast, this is enormous information and I accept that the Kaspa people group will unite as one to get this expansion going. This venture is genuinely a local area supported crypto. Once more, the just crypto in presence to settle the blockchain trilemma. Furthermore, when Kappa arrives at the consideration of KuCoin trade, Coinbase and Binance Kaspa will turn into a main 10 crypto project without a doubt. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content you want to stay up to date, thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.